Hi guys! Today we're doing a really fun video. We're doing my earring collection. Now I wasn't a earring person until I cut my hair short and I was like, okay, I see a lot of my ears now, and then I got a lot of earrings. This is just like my long dangly and big earrings because I have a lot of studs as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this. This is my earring collection.
Oh, the cards begin to show. The sun is saying no, but everyone's so delicious. Then I feel it on your hands. The lines just take a chance. Maybe I'm just superstitious. Superstitious. I like the Gemini 'cause they're so schizo. And how the Taurus buzz goes so deep and slow. So what's your sign? I really can't decide. Virgo, Scorpio, I feel our stars align. Oh, the cards begin to show. The sun is saying no, but everyone's so delicious. Then I feel it on your hands. The lines just take a chance. Maybe I'm just superstitious. Superstitious. I love the girls with the black cat lashes. Look in the mirror with the broken glasses. So magic 8 ball, tell me what's true. Is it real love or we just cutting loose? Oh, the cards begin to show. The sun is saying no, but everyone's so delicious. Then I feel it on your hands. The lines just take a chance. Maybe I'm just superstitious. Superstitious. Don't let your love go by. The fortune tells me won't let my love go by. I feel it pumping, pumping, pumping. Oh, the cards begin to show. The sun is saying no, but everyone's so delicious. Then I feel it on your hands. The lines just take a chance. Maybe I'm just superstitious. Oh, the cards begin to show. The sun is saying no, but everyone's so delicious. Then I feel it on your hands. The lines just take a chance. Maybe I'm just superstitious. Superstitious.
So guys, that was a really fun and different video that we shot. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment below with which your favorite pair of earrings was. See you guys. Bye.